Well, my name is Solar. Everybody knows me in Seattle as Solar. I have long been involved in solar energy activities, and I'm involved in a conspiracy to convert the planet to be solar powered. I'm coming from the post office. I have just been awarded a patent from the U.S. Patent Office in a solar powered smelter that can melt rocks and glass and make heat cheaper than natural gas. It's made out of brick, so that if a tornado shows up, guess what? The solar smelter is still there. You could build thousands of these, millions of these things, and power the entire planet 24 hours, 7 days a week, because it stores the heat in form of solar lava. And that's the neat thing about this invention. We can make these things like dime a dozen, really cheap, using recycled materials, and then ship out the kits, and then people use bricks locally. That's the neat thing about this invention. I'm really proud of the work I've been doing on it. Bad news is trying to get the venture capitalists to pay attention to this invention, because there definitely are some fossils out there who don't like the idea. Now, where am I going? Right now I'm going headed over to the engineering library. I'm doing some calculations, and I calculate out that if we pump 10 cubic miles of seawater inland to now dry salt lakes, places like Australia, Syria, Sahara Desert, Mexico, there are places out there where we can flood seawater inland, and guess what? It will take the oceans within 30 to 100 years and make the oceans freshwater. And we take the oceans, convert them, and get all the pollution and salt out of the oceans. It will also, guess what? We create salt brines. We use solar energy to mine the rare metals like gold and silver and manganese, and some of these metals cost like $400,000 a pound. And basically clean up the planet and solve global warming, because it creates artificial rain. And when you create rain, you have it start raining in places like the Sahara Desert. Guess what? We grow plants, and the plants then take the carbon dioxide out of the atmosphere. So that's what I'm looking at, using solar powered smelters for water pumping. And so that's where I'm going, and that's who I am, what I'm up to, and where I'm going.